Cisco and IIT Delhi have launched a new technology hub dedicated to AI and cybersecurity, a 3-year collaboration aimed at training talent and shaping India's digital security standards. And it's pitched as more than a national effort. IIT Delhi and Cisco are calling it a hub for the Indo-Pacific region. Signed as an MOU on the 4th of August, it's structured around 3 pillars: research, workforce skilling, and ecosystem and policy engagement. Now, on the research front, that means PhD and M.Tech grants and fellowships, a dedicated chair of excellence, joint work with Cisco's own global research teams, and IIT Delhi scholars publishing white papers meant to feed directly into government policy and regulatory discussions. On the skilling front, it's continuing education courses built with Cisco's Networking Academy, plus short curated training programs specifically for government departments and public sector undertakings on cybersecurity risk. And of course, then on the ecosystem build aspect, security workshops, research forums, and a new annual Security and Trust Summit meant to bring national experts together. Now, the hub runs under Cisco's Country Digital Acceleration Program, which partners with governments, industry, and academia on digital infrastructure and skills. Now, that program isn't new or India-specific. It's already completed over 1,700 projects across 56 countries. So basically, IIT Delhi is plugging into an established Cisco template, not something built from scratch for India. Now, this fits a pattern that's become familiar this year. Global tech companies picking a flagship Indian institute, signing an MOU, and branding it as a hub for skilling and research. And now, it's Cisco's turn with IIT Delhi, specifically on AI and cybersecurity. And here, of course, is the front page take. Now, what stands out is the policy angle. This isn't just training students. IIT Delhi scholars are explicitly tasked with producing white papers meant to inform government regulation and digital frameworks. Now, with a company that will itself be selling into that same digital infrastructure. So then, here is the question, as always, for all of you. Is having Cisco help fund and shape research that could inform India's own cybersecurity policy a genuinely useful pooling of expertise? Or does it blur the line between academic independence and a vendor's commercial stake in how these rules eventually get written? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.